What's up, everybody? Today we're playing Clash of Clans, and we're gonna do some steals, and we know it annoys everybody. We're gonna steal fortunes. For example, you see that town hall? If you get this, if you destroy them,